Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to display highest variation price with discounted percentage for variable product and also show discounted percentage for simple product using custom code in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in shop page. So this is our variable product and this is our simple product. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet, so click on it and then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open and then you can add title here, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section, and then you see text off. If you want to change this text you can add text according to your requirement, and then scroll down you see insert method, auto insert location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to shop page and refresh the page. Now you see maximum price. So this is our regular price, this is our sale price, maximum sale price. So this is our maximum discounted percentage 25%, and then you see this is our simple product. Now open both product. So this is our variable product. Now select green. So this is our maximum price 15. Now you see show in variable product, regular price, sale price and percentage discount. Now go to simple product. Now you see. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.